How to inject Mounjaro. For many Juniper patients, self-injecting is a brand new experience and it's completely normal to feel nervous. In this video, we'll go through the steps together so you feel comfortable and confident administering your medication. To prepare your injection, you will need the Mounjaro KwikPen, a KwikPen compatible needle, a swab, a sharps disposal container, a cotton wool ball in case there are any spots of blood after injecting. Before you begin, choose a day of the week to inject. It's up to you what time of day you'd like to inject, as long as you commit to injecting your medication the same day every week. Step 1. Remove your unused Mounjaro KwikPen from the fridge. Wash your hands with soap and water. Step 2. Pull the pen cap straight off. Inspect the pen and label and do not use if the medication name or dose strength does not match your treatment plan, the pen is expired or looks damaged, the medication has been frozen, has particles, is cloudy or is discoloured. The liquid should be colourless to slightly yellow. Step 3. Wipe the red inner seal of the pen with a swab. Step 4. Select a new pen needle. Always use a new pen needle for each injection to help prevent infection and block needles. Pull off the paper tab from the outer needle shield. Step 5. Push the capped pen needle straight onto the pen and twist the needle pen until it's tight. Step 6. Pull off the outer needle shield and keep it. This will be reused later on. Pull off the inner needle shield and dispose of the inner needle shield in your household bin. Step 7. Slowly turn the dose knob on your Mounjaro KwikPen until you hear 2 clicks, until the extended line is showing in the dose window. This is the prime position. It can be corrected by turning the dose knob in either direction until the prime position lines up to the dose indicator. Step 8. Hold your pen with the needle pointing up. Tap the cartridge holder gently to collect any air bubbles at the top. Step 9. Release some liquid by pushing the dose knob in until it stops. Then slowly count to 5 while holding the dose button at the end of the pen. The 0 icon will then be shown in the dose window. Do not inject this liquid into your body. This step is called priming, and it removes air from the cartridge and makes sure your pen is working correctly. Your pen has been primed if a small amount of medicine comes out the tip of the pen. If you do not see any medicine, repeat the priming procedure, no more than 2 additional times. If you still do not see medicine, then change the pen needle and repeat the priming procedure no more than 1 additional time. If you still don't see medicine or need more needles, just send us an email at hello@myjuniper.co.uk. Step 10. Choose an injection site. This could be the back of the upper arm, upper thigh or stomach at least 5 centimeters from the belly button. If you choose to inject in the back of your upper arm, another person should administer the injection because the angle may be difficult. Make sure you change your injection site each time. You may use the same area of your body, but be sure to choose a different injection site in that area to avoid irritation. Do not inject into an area where the skin is tender, bruised, red or hard. Avoid injecting into areas with scars or stretch marks, as this can cause discomfort and may prevent the medication from working effectively. To demonstrate, we'll be administering Mounjaro into an injection pad, which is commonly used for medical training. But for you, please choose either the back of your upper arm, upper thigh or stomach. Step 11. Turn the dose knob until it stops and the 1 icon is shown in the dose window. The 1 icon is equal to a full dose as stated on the pen. The volume of liquid administered is the same, no matter which pen dosage you're using. Step 12. Insert the needle into your skin. Inject the medicine by pushing the dose knob until it stops, then slowly count to 5 while holding down the dose knob. The 0 icon must be shown in the dose window before removing the needle. If the dose knob is hard to push, pushing the dose knob more slowly will make it easier to inject. Your needle may be blocked. Put on a new pen needle and prime the pen. You may have dust, food, or liquid inside the pen. Dispose of this pen and email us at hello@myjuniper.co.uk. Step 13. Remove the needle from your skin. A drop of medicine on the needle tip is normal. It will not affect your dose. Confirm the 0 icon is in the dose window. If you see the 0 icon in the window, you have received the full dose. Do not redial the dose. If you still do not think you've received the full dose, do not repeat the injection. Step 14. Put light pressure on the injection by pressing with a cotton ball or gauze. Do not rub it. Step 15. Carefully replace the outer needle shield. Step 16. Unscrew the capped needle and put the needle in the sharps container. Do not store the pen with the needle attached, as this can lead to leaking, blocking the needle, and air entering the pen. Step 17. Replace the pen cap. Do not store the pen without the pen cap attached. You may store your used pen at room temperature up to 30 degrees after your injection. Make sure to keep away from heat and out of sight and reach of children. Dispose of the pen 30 days after first use, after using 4 weekly doses, or once it's been out of the fridge for 30 days.